Erin Afner with AfnerWords here. Happy Mindful Monday. I'm back with another Monday mantra. Each week I channel a new mantra based on the collective energy that I'm picking up on, and I write them in first person so you can use them for yourself. I use mantras in my daily practice to help me reprogram my brain, shift my mindset, achieve goals, healing, and really just to manifest any changes I'm trying to create in my life. If you are enjoying these Monday mantras, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And I want to wish everybody a happy new year. We made it. We're here in 2021. So let's get into the mantra for this week. It is, I won't wait for life to happen to me because I create my destiny. I won't wait for life to happen to me because I create my destiny. So this mantra is kind of into response to a lot of kind of buzz I'm seeing and hearing from people. Everyone's calling 2020 a dumpster fire and, oh, thank God it's gone. And, you know, everybody's just so overjoyed that we made it through the year, and rightfully so. And here we are in 2021, but there is this sort of energy of just waiting for things to get better. Waiting for something to magically happen because now it's 2021 and it's all better, and that's just not the case. We have to take the bull by the horns and create our own destiny, create our own reality. At the end of the day, you are in charge of your own happiness. The outside world does not dictate your happiness. Now is not the time to be sitting at home, numbing out on Netflix, waiting for your unemployment check and waiting for things to just get better. Now is the time to start resourcing your inner creative self. You know, we're all divine beings, creator beings that have, creative genius inside of ourselves. And you just need to tap into that. So, it's about, taking pause and doing that inner searching, doing that soul searching, finding your inner authority. It's time to stop listening to and relying upon this external authority for creating your happiness and creating your livelihood, and, relying on external authorities to, create your life. You need to rely on yourself. It's time to get creative about, your career, how you're going to move forward into, this new age that we're moving into. The 2020s, here we are, we're doing it. So this mantra is about reinforcing that within yourself and reinforcing the fact that you do have that creative genius inside, and you are in control of your own destiny. So I encourage you to just, really resource that. Believe in yourself. Believe that it is there, because really it boils down to belief. If you believe that your life is controlled by external authorities, then that's the way it's going to be. But if you believe that you have internal authority that you can resource, and internal, genius, your creative genius, then you believe in that part of yourself, then that's how it's going to be. And if you're having trouble finding that part of you, then, ask yourself, pray to your higher self. This is not about praying to God. This is about believing in yourself and believing that there is a higher level of you that has, intelligence, a level of intelligence beyond our human understanding or our human brain. And I assure you, it is very real, and I resource that intelligence on a daily basis. It's how I have gotten to where I have gotten in my life. So here's that mantra one more time. I won't wait for life to happen to me because I create my destiny. I won't wait for life to happen to me because I create my destiny. So, start thinking about how you're going to resource your own creativity to create your happiness and to, change how your 2021 is going to look. And again, Happy New Year. I wish you prosperity and abundance and love and joy and all the great things. And thanks for watching. If you are watching on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. If you're watching on social media, I invite you to, throw me a like. A comment's great. Just help me out on the algorithm. I really, truly appreciate it. And I will see you next week. Bye-bye.